Let's first talk procedurally. He was charged with 4 counts, including a felony.
3 misdemeanors and a felony.
How was he released?
They got a hold of me this morning and said he'd been arrested and asked if I could help get a bond set on him and get him out, and that's my job, so that's what I did.
What was the bond? Can you disclose
He
that?
was ROR'd. Yeah, he was a low risk of non-appearance, no danger to the community, so he was released on his own recognizance. 3 misdemeanors and a Class C felony, and so that's not unreasonable bond.
What's next legally?
Court is scheduled for Tuesday. That may be moved depending on various factors. But arraignment is on Tuesday. We'll enter plea of not guilty and get the next court date.
Scottie released a statement, and I know you said this too. There was a miscommunication or misunderstanding. Can you give Scottie's point of view in regards to this incident?
Well, and again, exactly what Scottie's point of view was. It's impossible to anybody to say other than Scottie, but there had been a traffic fatality down the road, and so there were differing traffic directions going on. Traffic control officers were advising different things, and Scottie was advised to, go around and turn left into the facility to come and, do his pre-round preparation. The officer who charged him obviously didn't know that, and so, he did what he was instructed to do, and the officer who arrested him didn't think he was supposed to be doing that. And so that's where the miscommunication occurred. Whether they were part of the same, they were on radio together, the 2 officers, as to why they, didn't believe he was allowed to do that or whatever. He's in a marked courtesy vehicle with his credentials out and did what he was instructed to do.
Is it possible that prosecutors may drop these charges?
Anything's possible.
Okay.
Sure.
Have you been in talks with prosecutors?
Obviously, to get his bond set, I've got to talk to prosecutors. So, anything is possible. They'll either be dropped or we'll go to trial because he didn't do anything wrong. So we're not interested in, any sort of settlement negotiations or anything like that. He didn't do anything wrong. It was just a big miscommunication. But, it was kind of a perfect storm of circumstances, that the fatality was down the road, and one thing needs to be clear. He didn't drive through any accident scene or any investigation. None of that happened. That kind of misinformation is out there, and that did not occur.